Welcome! In this lesson, we will explore how to create an automated machine learning job using the automated ML solution. First, click on the automated ML and then click on New Automated ML Job. The first step is to load our data. We will be creating a model for the bike rental dataset. Select Create and enter the name of the dataset. In this case, I'm going to enter bike rentals and then click on Next. Thereafter, select From Web Files. You have been given the link and it will be pasted in the descriptions below. Paste the link of the location of the bike rentals dataset and select Next. Once that is done, you can see the preview of your dataset. Everything looks okay. The headers are well formatted and the data are well formatted. Now select Next. In this view, ensure that the path is not included, but all other variables are selected in this schema. Once everything looks okay, select Next. And we are almost done. It's time to create your data set. Now, once that is done, you will click on here to go to these data sets. Click here to go to this data set. And once that is done, you should now see the bike rentals data set. So we now have the bike rental data set created. Next, select automate. When you select data, you can see all available data sets that you have loaded. So we have loaded previously the Titanic dataset and now the bike rentals dataset. So click on automated ML and select new automated ML job and select the bike rentals and click on Next. Now we're going to create a new experiment. I have a previous experiment done, but now select Create New and name your new experiment Bike Experiment. Bike-experiment. We are going to select rentals as the target column. We want to predict rentals. Select compute cluster under the compute tags, and I'm going to show you how to create a new compute cluster. Previously, I already have an existing compute cluster, but we are going to use a new one. So click on New. I would suggest that you leave all the default configurations here and click on Next. You can see the cost that we're going to incur from this cluster. Name your cluster whichever name you want. I'm going to call this MSBA cluster test. You can select as many nodes as you want, but that might incur more cost. And once you're done, click on Create. So in this task, we have seen how to create an automated an automated machine learning job. So in these, we configure the dataset and create a new compute instance to execute our code. So I'm selecting the compute cluster that we just created. That's the MSBA cluster test. And I'm selecting next. And that is it for now. We'll continue in the next video.